Hello my dear kids, today we are going to do another mathematics lesson. You can use your mathematics textbook part 2 to do this lesson with me. Let's see what are we learning today. Multiplication by 8 and 9. Let's see the 8 times table. Here I have given you up to 8 times 3. 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16. When you have 3 8s together, that is 24. Can you build up the 8 times table up to 10? Shall we read the 8 times table now? Okay, start to read it with the teacher. 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 6, 48. 8 times 7, 56. 8 times 8, 64. 8 times 9, 72. And 8 times 10, 80. So class, when 8 repeated twice, 8 times 8, the answer is 64. 8 times 5 is 40. And 8 times 10 is 80. Let's multiply by 8. Now, can you remember the way to start multiplication? You have to start multiplication from the units column. Here you have a number with 3 digits. Unit, tens and hundreds. Unit column 8, tens column 4, hundreds column 5. So the number is 548. I place the multiplication sign along with the digit 8. Multiplier and the multiplicand is given in the sum very clearly. So start multiplication from the unit column. 8 times 8, then 8 times 4, then 8 times 5. Once you multiply, you will get the answer with 4 places. 4,384. So make sure to place 4 in the thousands column. 4 in thousands, 3 in hundreds, 8 in tens and 4 in units. Now we are going to learn the 9 times table. So kids, let's go through these numbers 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and 90. Now just look at the unit places of those. Let's start from the first digit. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now see the tens place. First place, there's no tens place. So we'll take it as 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So can you see there's a kind of a pattern? Yes, in 9 times table, the answers with 2 places, unit place and tens place. There's a kind of a pattern. When the tens place side is increasing with one value adding always, the unit place side is decreasing by 1. Once again, just have a look. We'll take the first 3 answers. 9 times 1, 9. 9 times 2, 18. And 9 times 3 is 27. See the unit places. 9, 8, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 1, 7. And see the tens places. 9 times 1 is 9, single digit. So you can say tens place is empty. So that is 0. So 0, 1, 2. Can you see that the tens place is increasing by ones while the units place is decreasing by ones? So if you know this pattern, you can always write it in your paper and you don't want to study it because there's an easy way to memorize it. Here I have multiplied a 3-digit number by 9. The number is 253. Units, tens and hundreds are the place values. When you are multiplying by 9, once again you start it from the units column. 9 times 3, 27. So 7 comes to the units column and 2 goes to the tens column. Then you can multiply 9 times 5. Add 2 to the answer. Place your answer in the tens column. Then move on to the hundreds column. 9 times 2. Likewise, you have to gradually do your multiplication and place the digits in the correct place values. Write in statements. Now kids, can you remember how to write the statements? When you get a statement question, word question, make sure to read it at least 3 times. While reading, underline the important words and the important numbers. Let's start to read it. There are 139 books in a cupboard. If there are 9 such cupboards, find the number of books in all. So, this is about books and cupboards. In one cupboard, we have 139 books and we have 9 such cupboards. So, such is the very important word here, which shows you that the sum is to multiply. Let's pick out the statements from the question itself. 139 means books. So you can simply write number of books equals 139. How many cupboards are there? We have 9 cupboards. So number of cupboards equals 9. And I place there the multiplication sign, which is really important. And the last statement, total number of books in 9 such cupboards. Then you have to multiply the number by 9 and get the answer, 1251. Hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to study the 8 times table and the 9 times table. And you can do the given exercises in your student note and in the textbook. Stay safe. Thank you.